Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Hi. The best internet resources about how to reinstall Directshow. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to reinstall Directshow is ask.brothersoft.com. See the page titled How to Reinstall Directshow, AC3 Filter Q&A. Here's the link. You can also try www.lightpc.com, especially the page Uninstall Directshow Video or Repair Directshow Video with. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see 996450.r.msn.com. The web page Reinstall Directshow freshpcfix.com. Here's the link.